Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team for Lemon. Today we will learn how to use the cookie editor for cookies sharing, or you can say how to log in without passwords. You can share the cookies instead of the passwords. So in my case, I am using this Chrome extension, cookie editor. Click Add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, here you can see I'm logged into the chat GPT. So turn on this cookie editor here. So in another browser, let me show you. I have logged in chat GPT. It's asking for the login and sign up. So simply open this open the it's logged in chat GPT browser. Click on the cookie editor and click on all sites, allow. Again, click on the cookie editor, click export, and click the JSON. Now come here, click here, all sites, allow. Again, click. Now click import and paste this and click import. Now refresh this. Here you can see I'm logged in, just using the cookies without sharing the passwords. So it's the safest way to use any tool without sharing the passwords, which has the limited access or one user per computer, one user per person. You can also bypass this limit. So for more videos like this, tap the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.